Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the limit and justify each step by indicating the appropriate limit laws. So we have the limit as t approaches 2 of t squared minus 2 over t squared minus 3t plus 5. So if we take this limit of a fraction, what we can do is we can take the limit of the numerator and divide it by the limit of the denominator. And then our next step is to look at these terms in the numerator and denominator, and we can split them. So the limit of t squared minus 2 is equal to the limit of t squared minus the limit of 2. And the limit of t squared minus 3t plus 5 is the limit of t squared minus the limit of 3t plus the limit of 5. The limit of t squared is the limit of t squared. The limit of 2 is just 2. Again, we can take the entire limit of t and square it. The limit of 3t is equal to 3 times the limit of t. And then the limit of 5 is just 5. And our final step here is to plug in the fact that the limit as t approaches 2 of t equals 2. So this is 2 squared minus 2 over 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 5. 2 squared is 4, so this is 4 minus 2 over 4 minus 6 plus 5. This is equal to 2. 4 minus 6 plus 5 is 3. Therefore, this limit is equal to 2/3.